Certificate of Appreciation is hereby presented to Police Director Emmanuel Arcanta, Guest of Honor, Nay Cavite, for his invaluable support as Guest of Honor in your cooperation in pursuit of peaceful and progressive community in accordance with the mission, vision, and objectives of Sigma Force Incorporated. Given the 21st day of February 2010 at Ibayo Silangan, Nay Cavite, signed Reynaldo J. de la Cruz, National Force Commander, Sigma Force. Certificate of Appreciation is hereby presented to Mr. Rod Castillo, Councilor, Nay Cavite. Same. Certificate of Appreciation is hereby presented to Sir Mac Dagasda. So, kindly pakibigay na lang po kay Sir. Same Certificate of Appreciation to Sir Regalado Antiojo. Same Certificate of Appreciation is hereby presented also to Mr. Mad Bergado. Last but not the least, same Certificate of Appreciation is hereby presented to Mr. Lodi Del Rosario. Maraming salamat po sa ating mga guests o speakers.